welcome to my channel. And here we have the front elevation of a pyramid that is inclined at an angle. The front elevation of a pyramid that is inclined at an angle. We want to draw the plan. We want to look at how the plan of this pyramid will look based on the position of the front elevation, and also how the end elevation will look based on the position of this object. So for us to draw the plan, we are looking at the object from the top down. So what we need to do now is that we come to this point and we draw a vertical line for us to get the view on the plan. So, and also we come to this point, so we draw a vertical line. Okay, so then we come to this point, so which is the apex of the pyramid. So we draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so then for the base, so the base is the distance of the base that we're going to have here. So it's from here to here. So we draw a horizontal line from here to here. So let's say the length of the base. So let's say the length of the base. So I'll just take something like 30 millimeters for that. So like this. So this is 30 millimeters. So here I will draw horizontal line here. I will draw horizontal line. Okay. Then I need to locate the midpoint. So that 30, so I divide by 2, that is 15. So this is 15 millimeters, just to locate the midpoint. So it's a pyramid, so we have the midpoint here. Okay, so now, so by the time I'm looking at it from the top down, so from the top down, so I will see this corner, which means I'm going to see this line, and the line on the other side of it, I'm going to see it. So what I need to do is to draw a line from this point. So draw a line from this point, so to join this point here. Okay, so then also from this point I will draw a line from here to join this point here. Okay, so by the time I'm looking at it, also by the time I'm looking at it, okay, so I'm going to see a line from this point here. I'm going to see a line from this point, so which means we need to draw this with a thick line. So just visualize how the object will look if you have it solid before you, and you tilt it like this. So visualize how it's going to look in your presence. So that is how you can get this done. Okay, so this line, also make this line a thick line, and then we make this line a thick line from here to here. This line will be made a thick line. Okay, then at this point here, so this, we cannot see this line, so it is hidden from us. So we draw this line with short dashes line like this. So that's what we usually talk about when it's come to inclined solid. So we want to see the part that will be hidden from us. Now, so this is the plan. This is how the plan will look. Now let's look at how the end elevation will look. So what we need to do now is that from this point we are going to draw horizontal line from this point, and also from this point we draw horizontal line. Then we take a 45-degree set square, so placing it at this point, so we draw a line like this. Okay, so also from this center here I need to draw horizontal line, because I need to get the center of that. So alright, so I will, so from this point here, so from this point I will draw a vertical line to meet this horizontal line, and from here also, so I will draw this line as a center line up like this, and from this point here, so I will draw a vertical line. Okay, so it should go up, and here also it should go up. Okay, now so I need to get the base. So the base, how the base will look, so I need to draw horizontal line out of this. Okay, so also here I will draw horizontal line for the apex. Okay, so this is the apex, this is the apex here, this is the apex here. So what we need to do now, so if I'm looking at it from this side, I'm looking at it from this side here, looking at it from here. So I'm going to see this line at this point. I'll see this line, I will see this same line at this point. So this same line at this point as a thick line. So we make this a thick line. So we join this together with apex as a thick line like this. And this will also be a thick line. Okay, but a line like this at this point will be hidden. So which is for this point here and this point here. So it will be hidden from me. So I'm going to draw this line with short dashes line. So join it with the apex. So also at this point it will be hidden. So that is the line at this point is under, and I'm looking at it in this direction. So the line will be hidden from. Just visualize the solid of it. So in your presence. Okay, so by the time I'm looking at it, I will see the whole of the shape under here. So which means I need to make this line a thick line. So this line will also be a thick line. So from here to here. So this line will be a thick line. And this line will be a thick line, because I will see the whole of that base. Okay, so this is how the end elevation will look. So this is the front elevation. So this is the end elevation, and this is the top view. Alright, so thank you and keep on practicing. God bless you.